Hello friends, today we are going to talk about top UI UX designing course available for you in Thane. Before I guide you about the best UI UX designing course, I have designed a 4-pillar parameters that you need to check. If an institute is covering all these 4 parameters, they are right fit for you. And if they are not, you should explore further places to study UI UX. As you can see here, the first one is foundational knowledge and skills. If you are getting all these topics as mentioned here, you are learning from the right place. The second one is pillar 2, that's portfolio development. If an institution is helping you to build a portfolio, they are a right place for you to study. The third place is networking and job search. After the course, is this institute going to leave you all on your own, or they have some internal setup to help you to get a job? If they have a placement team, you should go for this institution. And the last one, lifetime learning access. In this fast track world, if an institute is offering you unlimited access to their website content, their recordings, and lifelong learning, then that is one green thumbs up for you to select that institute. So the best institute available for you is from IIM Skills. I'm giving you a link of this institute in the description box. You should check that. Why is that I'm suggesting you? One, that they offer you lifetime access for the program. Second, the most advanced curriculum. Third, you actually get curriculum that is AI infused. Fourth, internationally affiliated. You get a degree from UK based university. Fifth, from this institution, you get lifetime access for their material along with access to the recordings. Sixth, you get a chance to make real-time portfolio while you're pursuing a training with them. And the last and the most important one is you get in-house internship from an institution which helps you to build a solid profile to enter as a fresher in the UI UX industry. So if you're interested to pursue a UI UX course, I highly recommend pursuing it from IIM Skills. You have a link in the description. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to comment. I will personally advise what you can do. Thank you for watching this video and I'm looking forward.